Hi, well, welcome back to Fletcher's Farmhouse. So at the moment we've got the disasters in the oven and we'll see what they're like when they come out. But if you watch part one of the video, wasn't going too great, was it? So whilst that's just finishing off, I thought I'd try to make some cupcakes. It's not looking good at the moment, but let's give it a go, shall we? So, right, I've already sifted icing sugar because I'm going to make some buttercream as well, but I have also bought some pre-made stuff and I've just stuck it in the fridge, but it was a hell of a job to get this set up, let me tell you, but I've managed it. I don't know what the piping effort's going to look like, but you know, we have to start somewhere with this. Right, so cupcakes, let me see. So I have, right, oh, that's the Persian wants to go out. Go on then, there you go. Okay, start again. So this is the flour, but we need to, actually I should have measured out the butter and the sugar first, actually. Oh dear, right, okay, so that's not good. Right, well, what I'll do is take that and put that to one side. It says only 4 ounces, which I don't know now. I think I could actually put a bit more in that. I think I will do. Let's put some more in it. 4 ounces. Oh, I only put 3 in for some reason. Oh, that wouldn't have worked, would it? Right. Okay, so that's 4 ounces of flour now. So what we'll do, you know, I should perhaps rename it. Instead of Fletcher's Farmhouse, maybe I should call it Chaos in the Kitchen, because that's what it's been from the start today. Now, the disasters aren't looking so bad at the moment, but the proof is in the eating. Right, okay, so let me get some more foil. I do prefer to use foil on anything like this because it's easier to clean up and keep your kitchen clean. Oh, dear me. So, yeah, you know, I didn't think it would be so difficult because, you know, I'm a little bit out of practice, I'll be truthful with you, on the kitchen and baking front. I used to be good, but again, only with things that I'm familiar with. I'm out of my comfort zone at the moment, and it shows. So I don't know. I might have to have a rethink. Doing cooking videos on YouTube might not be for me. I don't know. Might just quit whilst I'm ahead, actually. Right, 3 ounces of butter. I'm using unsalted. I normally use stock. So, you know, this could probably go wrong as well now. Get more of that. Right, and then actually, I need some of this to go. It's very hard really for doing the buttercream with, but it's got to be done. Got to be done. I think that'll be enough for that. I'm not sure. We'll see. We can always add more, can't we? We're a bit of ahead of ourselves at the moment though. Right, so that's the butter. Okay, fine. Sugar, caster sugar. We want 3 ounces of this as well. Oh, well, it's not exact, but you know, I don't care really at this moment in time. Okay, so that's that, that's that. Okay. cream this together, which isn't easy, is it, when it's hard butter. I think I'll take it out of the fridge next time in advance and let it warm up a bit. That might be a good idea, don't you? Yeah. I mean, normally I have my big baking bowl as well, but I just got these the other day and I just thought, oh, just try them out. I think they were $4.99 for a set of about 4. Or 5 even, I don't know. It's quite good. Let me just check on the abominations. You know what, they're not looking so far off now. I'll just open the door and have a look at them, see how we're doing with that. Oh, well, this smells nice, I have to say. You know what, they don't look so bad, considering the disaster that they were. They were a total disaster. I mean, they were sloppy, they were slimy, they were... Ooh. I almost threw them in the bin, actually. They were that bad. Oh, now then. If I can try to keep the ingredients in this bowl, I might have a chance. Oh, actually, it smells of Christmas. It's supposed to be banana. Actually smells of Christmas stuff. It smells quite nice, actually. I might just redeem myself yet. Is this my calling? I don't know. I mean, everybody has to start somewhere, don't they? Yeah. Everybody has to start somewhere. Oh gosh, look at that. It's just coming out of the bowl. We're getting there. I love this fork. I don't know where you'd get one from. It's actually one of Grandma's old forks. She used to use it, and I just use it for everything baking wise. I'm a bit set in my ways in that way. Wow. I'll tell you what, it's hard work to do that. And we're supposed to have it, well, it's supposed to be soft and mushy, and right now it's looking a bit like desiccated coconut. It's not really looking great if you want to have fluffy cakes. I was going to do 2 batches, you know, I don't know. I don't know if I've got it in me actually, after the disaster that we've already had. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness me, that really is hurting my arm. Wonderful. Yeah, welcome to... Oh, how to make baking hard work. Yeah, just come along to Fletcher's Farmhouse. Yeah, she'll show you how to do it. Yeah. Oh, goodness me. She makes it really hard work, like. It's hard work to watch. Yeah. I think I do, actually. So yes, you've got to cream the butter until it's soft and light. Because what happens is, well, what should happen anyway, is it should go a lot lighter colour as well. Not just fluffy. And if you don't do it right, your cakes won't be right. And then it'll all be a complete waste of time. But as you can see, we are getting there now. But I just need to have a rest, because that's quite hard work. Right, well. Oh, what fun this is. Have you ever had so much fun watching someone in the kitchen with a bowl before? Oh my goodness. I mean, you can watch the channels that's got professional chefs if you want to watch perfection, and kid yourself that you can do it yourself. You know, oh, I can do that. That's easy. Yeah. It's it's not. It's not that easy. It's not. Not when you actually have to do it for yourself. I mean, yeah, it might look great in the recipe book, and, or when you've seen it being done. But as you can see, it's actually very difficult. In fact, I think I'm going to have blisters on my fingers by the end of this. And I wouldn't mind. I'm not even getting any views on my videos, and I'm doing all this for nothing, I think. No one's even going to see me struggle, are they? They're not going to know how hard it's been for me today to do this in the bloody kitchen, when I could have been doing other things. But no, I thought today's the day. Well, I'm not sure about this, you know. I'm just not sure. I mean, it's not the consistency what I'm used to with the stock stuff, you know. But I just thought I'd try it with real butter and see how it goes. Right, you know what? I might just leave it at that. I'm just going to keep an eye on these because... Oh, yeah, because the jam's coming out now. Oh dear. Oh dear. I think maybe another couple of minutes and that should be done. So what I need to do is I need to get a groove on now. Gradually beat in the eggs. Right, I need a dish. Little dish would be great. How many eggs does it say? It says 2 eggs. Right, okay, so we need 2 eggs in these. That's fine. I'll try not to get any eggshell in it this time. Before it was a nightmare. Right, okay. That's that. So, gradually beat in the eggs. Right, this is where I'm kind of panicking. Because, I don't know, maybe... Right, what I'm going to do is... I'm going to just lightly whisk the eggs, just like that. Just to break the egg yolk. And then I'm going to just add a tiny dribble, because you know what happens if it starts to curdle like that, you're in big trouble. So what we've got to do then is get your flour and just add some flour to it quick to try to stop that happening. But at the moment it's not really going too well, is it? This doesn't look like it should, I'll tell you now. Maybe I should just be brave and just get on with it, but I don't know. I don't think this is working at all. It's completely different to the consistency and everything of what I'm actually used to doing. As I say, normally I don't use unsalted butter, proper block like this. I use stock. Just thought I'd go old school today. Now that looks better, right? So that's the kind of consistency that you're actually looking for. So we're going to be brave again. Oh, that added quite a lot to the mix there. Yeah, right, well, so we'll just try our best to keep calm when it looks curdly, and we'll just try to be brave with it. Yeah, we need to be braver. That's what we need to be. Right, so consistency, it's not so bad. And then make sure that you try and get as much air in it as you can. Now it's looking a bit better, isn't it? But we've still got quite a lot of egg to go. Well, let's just put the whole lot in now. Right, okay, and then we might as well just put all the rest of the flour in now. Right, okay, that's that done. So this is where we're at now. So, I don't know really how this is going to go. I don't know. I'm hoping it's going to go in the muffin cases. I'm hoping it's going to rise. I've got some posh, ready done buttercream to test out my piping skills, which are non-existent by the way. That should be fun watching that. Might do a separate video just on that. Now, to me that looks quite sloppy. I'm not sure about this mixture at all. Anyway, we will just have to see. It's very gloopy. You know what, I'm going to taste some of that and see what it tastes like. Let me see. Oh. Oh. Now then. Oh. You know what, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Right, let me just check. Right, I think the abominations are ready to come out now. So what I'll do is move this, bring this over, okay, and I'm going to need to get this in here quick sticks. So, oh, it's very runny, isn't it? I don't think it's going to do that many, you know. I don't. It says half filled, but really? Really? Only half fill? I don't know. Oh God. Right. That's not a good thing. Come on. We need to hurry before it starts going flapjack style. Right. Just try not to rush when you're doing it. I'm rushing. Oh God. Right. This isn't going too well for me. It's very sloppy mix though, this. I don't know. I think it could have done with an extra ounce of flour in it myself. You know, because that's, well, I don't know. The extra ounce is for if you were doing Victoria sandwich mix. But they've made it an ounce less of things if you're doing it for cupcakes. But I don't know. There's no way this is going to do loads of cupcakes. I'll tell you that now. No way, Jose. Right, I tell you what, I'm just gonna. Well, we might just get away with doing one more, I think. Because, you know, the longer you leave it and it's not in the oven, once you've mixed it, the worse it's going to be. The worse it's going to be because you're going to lose your bubbles. If you lose your bubbles, you're going to end up with flat cakes. Not cupcakes, they're going to be flat buggers or something like that. Right, that is me done, I think. I can't do any more with that now. It's very gloopy, this, isn't it? I know. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out the pasty things. Okay, the oven's nicely heated up at least. Oh they don't look so bad now. Right, take those out because they're unnecessary. Put these in. And we want them on gas mark. Oh, 5. I don't know what that is in electric. I don't know what gas mark 5 is. I don't know. I'll just leave it on that. I don't mind really. It's fine. We're not having a meltdown here. No, we're just doing really well. No, we're not. Right. So, let's have a bit of a clean up. Right. So, there you are. Right, well what we could do now is show you what the pasties look like. Might be a good idea, mightn't it? No, that's the wrong one, actually. I need this. Right, so just move these things out the way. Go on, Bennett. Got some stock of washing up to do now. That's the thing with baking. People don't realise the work involved before and after. Right, well, oh God, perhaps I should have greased. Perhaps I should have greased it before it's done, but and that's got a bit of jam on it now. Anyway, I'll put them a bit closer for you to see them. And you can see them, what they look like. Ignore the jam, it doesn't have jam on it, but it flipped over when I was getting it off. Because I didn't grease the foil. So there you go. Next time, we'll know to do that. Oh no, oh dear, this one's breaking up. This one doesn't want to come off. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, that's not so bad. And I did 2 jam ones as well, they're not just... Oh dear, that one has broke. That one, that's not good. Not good at all. But never mind, we can use that for taste testing. Right, and then we've got the jam ones as well. Perhaps I should put that one at the end because it's a bit leaky. No, try not to get the hot jam on you because you know that would be disastrous if you do, because it tends to stick. Right, that's good. Well, yeah, so I'll just put that there for a second and let it cool down a bit. We'll get indigestion on top of everything else. Really? Right, stick that there. Right, well, so this is part 2 video of our banana, mainly, pasty things, and we did do 2 jam as well. But yeah, so there you go. So I'll put these over here to cool off. And at the moment, we've still got the cupcakes in the oven. But I'm not entirely sure what temperature the oven's meant to be on. I don't know. Like that. Right, well, what I can do then is try and make up the buttercream that I'm going to make. So whilst I'm going to do this, I'm going to pause the video a bit because you don't really need to see me do this again, do you? Mixing rock hard butter again. It's going to be a hard slog. So we'll let those cool off and that, and then and I'll be back. Okay, so whilst you were away, I have made the buttercream, and I had to add a dash of milk to that, not just the icing sugar and the rock hard butter. And these are what's left of the jam pasties and banana and apricot pasties. So I mean, they don't look as bad as they looked when they went in. So that's something. And now the cakes are out. If I can find my oven glove. Here we are. So they look a bit anemic, but they've risen okay, as you can see. And I've tested them, and they are cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them out of there now, and I'm going to put them on the cooling rack to cool off. So these are our cupcakes. Oh, some of them have 2 cases. Right, well I'll have to sort that out later when it's a bit cooler. But yeah, these look okay. Yeah, these look great actually. Oh, yeah, they look pretty good, some of these. Oh, they've definitely got 2 on some of them. But never mind, huh? Never mind. At least something's worked out today. You know, because everything else has just gone a bit weird. It's not gone to plan, shall we say. Right. So I'll let... Oh, do you want to go out again, Frisco? Come on then. There you go. So I'll let Betsy have a moment. And I'll just let these cool down before we can start to try to decorate them. Right, well, I've done a bit of a clean up. So I think we're going to have a go at piping. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing here, right? I mean, it took me a long time to even put this thing together. I don't even know if it's done right. I mean, it may just explode all over the kitchen. I don't know what's going to happen with this now. Anything could happen. I don't know. Or maybe I should just do a testing thing on a plate or something. I don't know. You know, let's see. Can you see that there? Yeah, just about. Oh, wait a minute, it's coming out. Oh, okay. Right. Oh, it's all coming out the other end. No, that's the problem. Right, hang on. Oh, it could have been perfect, but it just won't be. You know, never looks like on the box, does it? Oh no. Yeah, I mean, there must be a way of doing this. Oh, that doesn't look great. It's getting worse. Each one I'm doing is getting worse. Don't look great, does it? It's losing its pipe bit. The design of the piping bit. That's not good, is it? To fill that in there, won't we? Right. Okay then, that's not so bad. Right, I'm might do one more of this and give it up as a bad job. I mean, it's not the best, is it? Yeah, it's not the best, that. But, you know what? We've done it. I've accomplished something. A disaster. Oh, I don't know. What do you think? They look alright? Nah, not really. I mean, I suppose at certain angles it might look appetising, I don't know, appealing even, but I'm not sure. I just think it looks terrible, today's efforts. It's not good at all. Nope, not good. But stick these on here like this. Right, now we've not finished because, you know, I said I've done the washing up, but I'm going to need to do a lot more now, actually. Oh heck, thinking about it. Because what I have to do is put these on here like this. Move a little wire tray. I'm going to try and make some butterfly cakes out of these. I don't even know what this tastes like. It's not my usual recipe, what I do. So I'm just going to take that bit right there like that. Makes it look like you did them and they were actually level, but actually they're not level, are they? Like mini volcanoes or something. But never mind, never mind. Nobody's ever going to know, are they? Unless they watch this video. And then they'll know for sure. Now, I did put the buttercream in the fridge because it was getting a little bit mushy. So, here we are. Yeah, and I don't know if I've got enough here. Oh, now it's started to solidify a bit. So, I'll just give it a quick mix. Yeah, I had to add some milk because it was just solid. Absolutely solid. Now, I'm not going to pipe this. Okay. I think we've had enough of piping stuff for one day. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide it in. This is more rustic kind of effect. Yeah, this is more what I'm used to. It looks homemade. Not, oh, they've tried to be an artisan baker. It's not worked out like those. I'm going to have to practice my piping skills, but for a first attempt I think that's alright. It's not bad. I'm amazed I actually managed to put the piping thing together, because that took a bit of doing, you know. That, perhaps I should have looked at the instructions, but I can't find them. So, I can't find stuff, can't use it. Just have to try and work it out as you go, I suppose. Right, here we are. Now, this is not so bad. Yeah, got just enough, I think. Looks a bit, it still looks a bit like it's got coconut in it to me. It still doesn't look 100% like it should, really. No. What says it? Ooh. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's the nicest thing I've done all day. That's really nice. Oh wow. Okay, and then I can never work out which way these bloody wings are supposed to go. Is it that way or that way? I don't know, but anyway, who cares? That's the way it's going. Grandma used to do them better than me, I don't know. Is that the way? I can't remember now. Gonna have to have a think. Yeah, actually I think they're supposed to be like that. Yeah, that's what they're supposed to be. So actually they're upside down, but never mind, I'll eat that one myself. Nobody's going to know. That could be my catchphrase, my cooking catchphrase. Nobody's going to know. And then, I like that and like that. You know, it's trickier than you think, this baking lark, isn't it? All them, oh, it's not that one. All them channels that make it look, whoa, geez, really easy when you try and do it yourself, and it's actually not easy at all, is it? Not easy at all. So, just clean the plate up a little bit. I don't know why I'm bothering doing that, because I need to now get a little bitty bit of the icing sugar. So we're going to need another little spoon. And we're just going to delicately dust. And that should be it. Oh, thank goodness for that. Oh, gosh, clouds of dust. Right, so basically then, these are our efforts for today. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we did these sort of banana pasty things from kind of using the recipe from here, Marks and Spencer's Pies book, but not necessarily strict to it, because I used the ready-made pastry, which was a disaster, so next time I do it I will make it strictly to the recipe. Made my signature butterfly cakes, which do look quite delectable, I have to say. And we've made cupcakes with piped shop-bought icing, which it's not a bad attempt, but it's not great, is it? So the recipe for the cupcakes, you could tell this is well worn. This was Grandma's book before mine. It's this. So there you go. Right, well, I'm going off to do some more washing up. So hope you've enjoyed today's video and the disasters that unfolded as they happened, and hope to see you next time.